Who doesn't love chicken popcorn? Those bite-sized pieces of chicken, juicy and tender on the inside, with an irresistible crunch on the outside. What's not to love? Now, imagine making them at home, healthier and just as delicious, all thanks to an air fryer. Yep, no deep frying, no excessive oil, just pure crispy perfection. Let's whip up a homemade version of KFC-style chicken popcorn that's so easy, it'll become your new favorite snack. Ready to level up your snack game and wow everyone at home? Let's get started. Prepare the main ingredients. To make chicken popcorn, start by cutting 300 grams of chicken breast or thigh fillet into small, bite-sized cubes. Next, beat 1 egg and set it aside for now, because we'll marinate the chicken first. Marinate the chicken with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, black pepper, and chicken bouillon powder. Let it sit for 15 minutes to absorb the flavors. In a separate bowl, combine all-purpose flour, salt, oregano, black pepper, smoked paprika, ginger powder, garlic powder, and baking powder. I'll include the full details in the description box below. Mix everything until evenly combined. Lightly brush the air fryer rack with cooking oil. Now pour the beaten egg over the marinated chicken, ensuring every piece is evenly coated. Take each piece of chicken one at a time and coat it thoroughly in the seasoned flour mixture. Arrange the chicken pieces in the air fryer basket in a single layer, making sure they don't overlap. Lightly spray the chicken on the air fryer rack with cooking oil to make it extra crispy. This step is optional. Next, cook at 200 degrees Celsius, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 minutes, flipping the chicken pieces halfway through to ensure they cook evenly. And there you have it. Your KFC-style chicken popcorn is ready to serve. With this recipe, you can make a healthier, simpler, and still super crispy version of homemade chicken popcorn. Try it at home, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. See you in the next video. Bye!